Hi everyone, it's Paul from DFC. Today we're going to be installing our GeoSpec rotors and our DFC 5000 advanced brake pads on this 2017 Ford F-150. First, we'll take off the caliper by removing these two 14mm bolts. Before removing the caliper, make sure you have a bungee cord handy to suspend the caliper. You don't want to let it hang by the brake line. Next, we'll remove the brake pads. After removing the pads, we'll take off this caliper bracket by removing these two 21mm bolts. Once everything's off, go ahead and pull the rotor off. You can now install the DFC GeoSpec rotors. Reinstall the caliper bracket by tightening these two 21mm bolts. Use red Loctite and make sure you torque them down to factory spec. Now it's time to install our DFC 5000 advanced brake pads. Before reinstalling the caliper, make sure you use a compression tool to compress the pistons so the caliper will fit over the new pads. You're now ready to reinstall the caliper. Now, install the two 14mm bolts. Thanks for joining us on this install of this 2017 Ford F-150. We'll see you on the next one.